How to add Amazon product link in YouTube description. So in order to add an Amazon product link in your YouTube description, you can head over first to the product itself that you want. I have in here this, so just click on the URL option and then copy in here the link of that particular product. Right click and click on copy. Once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to head over right here to your YouTube right there. So go over to studio.youtube.com in order to see your channel. So from in there, you can either upload a new video or edit a video that you already uploaded. In my case, I'll just choose the latter. Click onto this content option and then choose in here the video that you want. I'll just choose in here this one. From in there on the description, just space or click on right click and click onto this space option and you should be able to have in here the link. So you need to make external links clickable. So just complete a one-off verification that you can see right here. So that's how you add Amazon product link in YouTube description. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.